Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In this video, I'll share with us the code you can use to get €0 items on the Temu app. Yes. Now, I'm going to give you some tips that you can use to actually achieve this. Very important. First, you need to be a new app user. If you're an existing app user, you can try it to see if it will work for you. But if it doesn't, then download the Temu app. Like, register it with a different email, okay? You need to use a new Temu account. And then secondly, make sure you follow the rules. Like, you need to follow the rules, because if you don't, you would not have the free items being shipped to you with other paid items, okay? So you need to follow the rules. Very, very important. All right, to access this, just go to your Temu app search bar. You don't put this code at checkout. You search the code on the search bar before you add anything to your cart. All right, so you've downloaded the Temu app and you're a new app user, go to your search bar and you search FRS 127497 and you click on the search icon. It's going to bring you to this gifts at €0. Okay, as you can see, all the items here are €0. I don't have to pay anything for them, so you can be given the chance to choose maybe 1, 2, 3 or more items at €0 or $0. Whatever country you are, you're going to see the amount in your currency. Okay, now it has rules. Just click on rules here and you can go through it. Just read it to understand what this game is about. Temu free items, or rather Temu €0 items, come with a price. Okay, they are not entirely free. You need to pay for some items. After you're done choosing your €0 items, you need to pay. You pay for some items. That's why they say come with qualifying purchases. Okay, now when you're done buying or paying for those paid items, if they do not require you to make a second round of payment, because sometimes you might be asked to spend a minimum of €10 or €20, and then after you're done paying for the first round of items, you might be asked to pay for a second round of items or not. I mean, it depends. So if you do not require everything that is required of you, you would not see the free items shipped together with your paid items. So some people complain that they do not get the gift. That's because you do not follow the rules. You do not do everything that is asked of you. It's just as easy as that. If you want to get these items, then read the rules to understand better and do everything you're asked, and you will definitely see the free items shipped with your paid items. Okay, it's not complicated. You need to read the rules and follow through. So that's it. If you've ever gotten the free item from Temu, let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss about it. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.